We're at gotomath.com trying to get it worked out. Applications involving linear equations is what we're working on. Alright, so we're here at 6.2. Let's go on over to the whiteboard. Okay, so we're given a variable cost of $2 per calculator and a fixed cost of $10. If the calculator sold for $3, how many calculators would need to sell to break even? So there's some things that we need to remember, and that is the cost equation. Remember, cost is equal to the variable cost, that's the number of items made, plus the fixed cost. And then we had the revenue is equal to the price of the item times the number of items sold. And remember that profit is equal to revenue minus cost. So in the previous video I said that you need to tattoo this on your arm, forehead, or wherever. Okay, because you'll be using this over and over again in the future, especially if you're a business major. Alright, so what are we doing here? We got, let's plug everything in. Given a variable cost of $2, so remember this is the variable cost, $2, and a fixed cost of $10. We'll put that right there. And we got revenue is equal to the price of the item. It's $3 per calculator, right? So X would be the number of calculators. Of course, this X is the number of items sold. Right? Now, revenue is, or profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Now, they're talking about breaking even. And what that means is that the revenue is equal to the cost, where you would say that your profit is 0. So revenue, that would be 3x minus your cost, and that's 2x plus 10 here. Okay, so we'll want to solve for x in this problem. And let's see, what do we got? Well, we're going to have 3x minus 2x minus 10, that's 0. Doesn't look like there's going to be a whole lot of items that are going to need to be sold to break even. So this becomes x minus 10, and then of course solving for x here. Alright, so we'll need to at least sell 10 items in order to, or more than 10, in order to start making a profit. Sell 10 to break even. Right, and of course you can plug this directly into here, and let's just do that. What do we get? We get that's 20, 30, right? Plug 10 in, you get 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. Okay, so a lot of times you know, you're given the cost, you're given the marginal, you want to find what is your fixed cost. You want to actually find that, and then they may give you the number of items sold here, or the price of the item. That's what I meant to say. And then ask you to find the break even or something of that nature. They may ask you to find the price. I don't know. You can do a lot of things with this, but if you just know, right, that the profit's equal to revenue minus cost, and you know what the cost equation is equal to, and the revenue is equal to, then it's not much to really have to solve for one of these, one of these variables. So this is just the basic stuff, but you're going to see these over and over and over again. And then sometimes we do something with this guy where this is actually a function all by itself. I believe they sometimes call that the demand equation, and where the price is going to be equal to something that involves x, and it's usually linear sometimes, most of the time. But anyway, it's the basic stuff. You need to really get it down. Okay, it's not much to really remember. Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com getting it worked out, and I'll see you in the next problem.